Alright, here we go. We got some seagulls going crazy on the top. I'm seeing blowups from fish. Someone's pushing them to the surface here. Let's see how fast I can paddle over there. Ugh. Come on, hurry up. Come on. Alright, come on, we got action around me. Got a fresh Gulf shrimp out there. Should have some stink on them. Speck, yeah?
Yeah, a little speck.
What are you fishing?
Huh?
What are you throwing?
Some type of artificial. Trout killer.
I just banged the forehead against the GoPro against my forehead. Kind of hurt, but moving spots. Birds are going wild. So I'm gonna go try to get in the middle of it and see what is pushing the bait to the surface. Pretty simple game. Hey, come on. Come on now. There we go. Got a hit. He dropped it. Oh. I want to cast these low so I don't hit any birds and get tangled up. That would really suck right now. Alright, I gotta keep paddling. Just watching my bobber. Even if I get hit, probably miss it. Come on, fish. Oh! I just keep on missing them. They gotta be little fish, they're not fully grasping this in their mouth. So I'm gonna do more of a sideways. Come on now. I'm seeing action more that way again. Let's keep moving. Oh, we got, looks like a needlefish running. Cast over there. Whew. Of course, right as I cast over there is whenever it blows up right where I was pulling it back from. Oh, bait jumping all around my bait. Oh yeah. This might be a little bit bigger. He's not giving me any head shakes. Might be a redfish. Come here, buddy. Boom! That is why you follow the birds. Oh, I know that is a keeper. That is a big boy. Boom! Oh my gosh, I need to get back out there. All right, I'll measure you later, buddy. Oh, I can just stop right here. Come on, give me my hook back. Birds are right next to me. Let's see if we can't do this again. Come on now. I need to get it out more that way. It gets shallow right in front, right here. All right, I like that cast. All right, I'm gonna measure this guy real quick just to make sure, but what was that? Bait was jumping all around. Like that. Like a gut. It's not really a sandbar, it's just a dirt bar. I guess we kind of are more on the low tide side. Tide is still going out, so this is pretty exposed. All right, well, that's out there real quick. Oh yeah, he's a almost 17-inch fish. Going in the box, buddy. on the gulp shrimp under the popping cork. Ooh. Yeah. Might not have been able to fit this whole deal in its mouth. Probably might be smaller. See if it'll come to the pops again. There we go. Oh, did he come off? Oh my God. Let me see. Oh, because this is over my point. Let's do that. Do whatever this is. All right, I'm gonna hook him different. He's going for the head. Come on, one more time. No.
I guess the tugs and barges are off today.
Yeah, there's not many are moving.
Not yet. Good for them.
Well, I think I just missed all the fish that are gonna be here. Because as soon as something comes back. Little tiny sand trout. That's why I can't get him. Little tiny guy. I'm gonna let you go, buddy. You're only a little guy. Sure. Sand trout are coming to the pops.
What was it?
Little sand trout. That's what I mean. That's why I'm missing them. They're all a bunch of little tiny guys.
Did you keep it or was it too tiny?
Oh no, he was a little dink.
I say that here comes a barge now, huh?
Yeah, first one of the day. There we go. All right. Sand trout are here. This might...
Probably too big for them to want to hit it. Mine's gonna have to be a manly fish. There you go.
This is a little bigger sand trout. Yeah. Oh, buddy. Oh, you got a little bit more on you. I'm gonna toss you in the box.
miss him?
No, I was just popping it.
I did.
You missed them? Oh. They're there. They're in kind of that one. They're in the same little hole. Might be a little drop point or something. They're hungry.
Take it. Boom, right now.
There we go. Did he come off? Oh, he came off.
They're so small, they're just getting the tail, grabbing the tail, taking it down.
Yeah, well, at first I was hooking it through the tail to kind of combat that, but now I'm just hooking it through the middle of the back of the shrimp.
I might just put some dead shit on there.
Yeah?
Shit, I didn't even move my bait. It was just sitting there.
All right, this is all jacked up.
Alright, change it up here. I'm gonna catch some small ones. Get on the board. Dead shrimp. Are you using dead shrimp?
No, I'm still on the gulp. The thing is, I just keep it underneath me and just switch them out every few casts so you get a new fresh stank on them.
As we like to call it, the recharge.
Yeah. If one doesn't bite this pretty soon, I'm gonna recharge. There. Oh. Yeah, I mean, there's so little. They have to really engulf this in order to get it fully in their mouth to get this circle hook on them.
Oh, I don't have a circle hook. On mine.
Yep. Well, we're not fishing live, so you're good.
Oh, that's right. That's right. It's dead. Good call. Good call. Alright, let me show you. Let me show you.
Showing you. This might be a speck, or he's a big one. Oh no, he's the biggest one I've caught in the past few days. Alright, starting to come down on us a good bit. I'm trying to fish some of this dead now. Through these cuts, looking for redfish. We got birds. Diving on something. That's how I caught my speck earlier. Let's get a gold shrimp on there real quick. Just like that, it dies off. Seems like maybe they just moved a little bit further down. Oh! Got a little guy. And these little fish those birds are going after. Another little sandy. That's a little one, we'll let him go. See you, buddy. There we go, coming straight to the pops. I think he got off. He didn't have it fully in his mouth. Little guy. There we go. He feels a little bit better. Oh yeah. Got me with his little front teeth. No, I'll let you go. You're a little small. Alright. It's every cast right here. Let's get a little bit closer. See if we can't get some more size to these. Oh, no. Those little boogers keep coming off. Oh, it's because he got me all wrapped up weird on this. Someone shot down with it. Mosquitoes on my hands. Alright, let's see if those come to those pops. Boom! Ah! You see? This is some trout action right here. This is why you bring the popping cork. 2 pops. No? Don't want this one. Right next to the boat. See if it'll shoot under. Oh, got a nibble. There we go. Ooh, another little sand trout. He engulfed that shrimp. Stop, buddy. Sorry, my guy, I'm having sand trout for lunch today. Look at this one.
Right here, just sitting here. Just taking this dangling. That's hilarious. Hey.